It's the first time you're meeting someone. Maybe it's your new boss, a stranger, or a date. And your mind starts running. I want to make a good first impression. So you start thinking about what to wear, how to style your hair, and what to say. You rehearse the lines in your head, and you fix your shirt 3 times and tell yourself, just smile and be confident. But here's the thing I didn't realize for years. The most important part of first impression isn't what you say or how you look. It's what your body says before you do. Because your body talks first, and the other person's body decides, usually within 7 seconds, how they feel around you. Not what they think of you, how they feel around you. You can say all the right words, wear the perfect outfit, but if your body is tense, if your shoulders are tight and your breath shallow, your voice a little rushed, they will feel it. And it'll make them feel tense too, without even knowing why. That's how the nervous system works. It's constantly scanning for safety, for tiny signs that say, I can relax around this person. Your posture, your tone, your breath, they send those signals faster than any sentence that you'll ever say. So if you really want to make a good first impression, don't start with your outfit. Start with your body. Help it feel safe. Straighten your spine, not to look confident, but to remind your body that you belong here. When your spine strengthens, your brain gets a new message that you're okay. You can take up the space. You change your chemistry. More oxygen goes to the brain. More calm goes to the heart. Then, relax your shoulders. Not as pose, but as a signal. Because when your shoulders drop, your body stops bracing for impact. It tells your system that no one's attacking you. You're allowed to breathe. You'll feel your breath deepen automatically. And then, exhale a little longer than you inhale. That one simple thing tells your brain that the danger meeting has been canceled. Your heart rate slows and your voice evens out. Your tone softens. And that's the moment you stop performing and start connecting. Because people don't remember the version of you that tried so hard. They remember how they felt around you. Whether their own body relaxed a little when you walked in. I used to think confidence was a look. But now I know it's a state. A body that feels safe enough to let your real self come through. I'm not an expert, I'm just someone learning to understand myself and other people better. So if you ever overthink your first impression, try this. Before you walk in, straighten your spine, drop your shoulders, take one long, steady exhale, and that's how your body says, I'm here, and you can be too. And that's the best impression there is, the real one. If this resonated with you, share in comments what helps you feel calm before meeting someone new. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.